Today was Halloween, and it was spooky atmosphere everywhere. Gattu and Chinky were putting up spooky decorations outside the house. Gattu was standing on the chair and
Got to take this. Put these fake spider webs up there. And this fake spider made up from black chart paper. It will make the house look more scary. Yes, Chinky, you're right. And this mummy we made by putting bandages on your big doll. This is looking amazing. We'll keep it outside the house only. Wait, Kattu, take this. Paint the mummy's eyes red with this red paint. It will look like it is blood. Great idea, Chinky. Bring it.
just then someone with scary eyes wearing a white sheet suddenly appears and stands right behind Chinky. As Gattu looks behind after painting the spider,
Help, Chinky, behind you.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Who is this?
that's when the ghost screamed while being beaten.
Hey, move, it's me.
It was none other than Monty. While being beaten, Monty quickly removes the white sheet from himself.
Monty, you?
Yes, me. And why did you hit me, Chinky?
Then why did you come to scare us, Monty?
See, Gattu Chinky, I will definitely take revenge on you, but not myself.
Okay, what will you do? Are you going to send a ghost to scare us? If that's the case, then we're really scared. See? We're really scared.
Yes, you guys can laugh now, but you'll see. At night, I will send the scariest ghost to you, and he'll scare you a lot. Huh.
Saying this, Monty runs away from there.
Chinky, leave this Monty. Let's finish our decorations. Okay, Gattu.
By evening, Gattu and Chinky decorate the house in a completely ghostly way. Everywhere sat spider webs, large scary spiders, fake knives, and fake ghosts and witches. All of which Gattu and Chinky had made from their dolls.
Wow, what an amazing decoration we have done, right, Chinky? Yes, you're right, Gattu.
Help someone!
Hey Gattu Chinky, it's me. I've just come back from the office. And look what I have brought for you. Just then, the lights come back. Gattu and Chinky see that Papa had a big gift box with him. Both of them quickly take the gift box. They open it and see. Inside the box, there was a very scary doll.
Oh wow, Papa, this doll is so scary. Exactly like Annabelle.
Gattu Chinky, this is actually a haunted doll. Be careful of it.
Papa, we are not kids anymore. All these tricks will not work on us.
Yes, Papa.
Gattu Chinky don't pay much attention to Papa's words and bring the doll into their room.
Chinky, put this doll on that chair.
Okay, Gattu. Now let's watch a horror movie before bed.
Yes, I'll put that horror movie that we had brought last Sunday on the DVD player.
Gattu puts the horror movie on the DVD player in his room. Gattu and Chinky lie down on their beds and start watching the movie.
Ah!
Hearing Gattu and Chinky scream, Mom and Dad quickly come inside.
Hey, what happened, kids?
Hey, what happened?
Just now, this doll laughed at us. Papa,
Yes, Gattu is right, Papa.
what? How can this happen, kids? It's just a doll. How can it laugh? You both must be watching a horror movie, right? That sound must have come from the movie.
Yes, what else? How can a doll laugh?
But that's it. Now turn off the movie and go have dinner. If you watch a movie, you will be scared till late at night.
Gattu and Chinky agree to Mummy's advice and go have dinner. When they return, Chinky says,
Gattu, tell me, is this a prank by that Monty? did he send a real ghost in reality?
No, Chinky, it's not possible. Come, let's put a cloth on this doll.
Then we won't have to see its scary face. Okay.
Gattu Chinky cover the doll with the cloth and go to sleep. A little while later, when Gattu gets thirsty and he gets up to drink water, then
Hey, what happened, Gattu? Why did you drop the glass?
Chinky, look there. The doll has stood up from its place. See there, Chinky.
What? What is this?
But how can this happen?
Save us, Mummy,
Papa!
The doll
has become a witch! Mummy, Papa!
but Mummy and Papa were probably so deep in sleep that they did not hear Gattu and Chinky's voice.
Why aren't Mummy and Papa coming?
Come on, Chinky. Let's quickly go out.
But as Gattu and Chinky try to get out of the bed, the doll also starts moving and coming towards them.
Oh my god, this doll is coming towards us. Mummy, Papa, come quickly.
Mummy, Papa, there's a witch in our room.
Gattu and Chinky's condition had become really bad. Before they could start crying, Mom and Dad come inside laughing. Gattu Chinky, you guys had said that you weren't scared, but you are still little kids.
What? What are you saying, Papa?
Yes, what does that mean, Papa?
It means, look at this. This is a remote control doll. Gattu and Chinky take a sigh of relief at the sight of the doll's remote.
Oh, Papa, you too. You really scared us.
Yes, Papa, I was scared badly.
Gattu Chinky, don't mind. It's Halloween. So in this way, Papa makes a great plan to scare Gattu Chinky on Halloween night. And succeeds in it too.
Gattu, look, we have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express.